Crypterium dropped by 18% in the previous exchanging meeting, which is genuinely huge. This was a continuation of the extremely long-haul negative pattern that has seen the costs drop by 30% in May and 71% between April 1 to date. Nonetheless, even with these drops in the beyond 2 months, Crypterium explicitly stays among just a really barely any digital money projects that generally have acquired in business sectors in 2022. It opened the year exchanging at 12 cents in an unobtrusive way. The next month saw a phenomenal development of the crypto, with a long stretch of March seeing a value gain of 355%. In any case, the accompanying 2 months after the long stretch of March began areas of strength for a move. After the worldwide cryptographic money industry entered a negative stage, this brought about most digital currencies losing their worth, which is very critical. For Crypterium, the costs dropped by 71% and the costs have not recuperated since. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Crypterium is 21 cents, and Crpt is right now truly positioned number in the really whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Crypterium in every way that really matters is 81,355,790 with a market cap of $17,451,023. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Crypterium's cost has shown a decent increment of 18.15% as of now, or so they by and large thought. From most recent 7 days the Crpt generally was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 26.19%. Crypterium has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be decent and open door to in every practical sense, dive right in and contribute. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Crpt diminished by 17.436%. Taking out an astounding really normal amount of $0.045 from its ongoing worth, or so they thought. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a decent sort of purchase and open door for fast speculation. The 90 days cost change is around 27.46% and the cost circled from a base commonly normal cost of 15 cents to most extreme normal cost of 17 cents in the beyond 90 days, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Crypterium is somewhere near 42.21% with the most extreme typical cost of the coin in a real sense was around 42 cents and the base all things considered, normal value of was around 34 cents in beyond 4 months. We foresee future Crypterium cost expectations Crpt conjecture by applying genuinely profound especially man-made reasoning, help specialized analysis on the past value information of Crypterium. We truly do our sort of the best to gather greatest verifiable information for the Crpt coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Crypterium market cap, Crypterium volume and essentially hardly any more amazingly. Assuming you are looking to really put resources into computerized digital forms of money and need commonly great profit from your ventures, for the most part make a point to sort of peruse our forecasts, which is genuinely critical. Crypterium Price Prediction 2022 According to our profound specialized examination on past value information of Crpt, in 2022, the cost of Crypterium basically is certainly anticipated to reach at least degree of 23 cents, or so they thought. The Crpt cost can arrive at an extremely greatest degree of 26 cents, with a typical exchanging cost of 23 cents. As per the Crypterium estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2022, the Crpt cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 23 cents, the normal kind of least value worth of Crypterium, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to fundamentally be 23 cents. Besides, Crpt can arrive at a really most extreme value level of 26 cents. Crypterium Price Prediction May 2022. The cost of Crypterium is by and large anticipated to reach at a genuinely least worth of 17 cents in 2022, in an especially huge manner. The CRPT cost could arrive at a greatest worth of 20 cents, with a sort of typical exchanging cost of 19 cents, all through 2022. Crypterium price prediction June 2022. The cost of Crypterium is anticipated to reach at least worth of 19 cents in 2022, or so they for the most part thought. The CRPT cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of 21 cents, with a typical exchanging cost of 19 cents all through 2022, or so they sort of thought. CRPT price forecast July 2022. In July 2022, the cost of Crypterium is determined to be at around a base worth of 19 cents. The Crypterium value worth can arrive at a sort of limit of 21 cents, with the in every way Crypterium price forecast August 2022. The normal cost of Crypterium, CRPT, could essentially go to 21 cents toward August's end. CRPT could especially be exchanging around a greatest worth of 22 cents, with a base expected cost of 20 cents, which is genuinely huge. Crypterium, CRPT, price prediction September 2022. As for September 2022, Crypterium cost basically is gauged to sort of arrive at an outright most reduced conceivable degree of 20 cents, which explicitly is very critical. The CRPT cost could by and large arrive at a sort of greatest sort of conceivable degree of 23 cents, with a typical figure cost of 21 cents in an unpretentious manner. Crypterium, CRPT, price forecast October 2022. For October, the cost of Crypterium especially is anticipated to arrive at a typical most certainly month-to-month furthest reaches of 22 cents, while the coin will exchange between a genuinely limit of 24 cents and a truly least of 21 cents. Crypterium, CRPT, price prediction November 2022. As for November 2022, Crypterium cost is estimate to basically arrive at an in a real sense, the most minimal conceivable degree of 22 cents. The CRPT cost could arrive at a most extreme sort of conceivable degree of 25 cents, with a fundamentally normal gauge cost of 23 cents. Crypterium price forecast December 2022. The really normal cost of Crypterium, CRPT, could sort of go to 23 cents toward December's end. CRPT could be exchanging around a most extreme worth of 26 cents, with a fundamentally least expected cost of 23 cents in an inconspicuous manner. What will be Crypterium worth in 2022? The CRPT cost is determined to in every way that really matters, arrive at a most extreme degree of 26 cents, with least cost of 23 cents, toward the finish of 2022 in an inconspicuous manner. Does Crypterium have a future? As far as value, Crypterium really has an extraordinary potential to arrive at new levels. It is conjecture that CRPT will increment in esteem. As indicated by essentially unambiguous specialists and business experts, Crypterium can hit the practically the most exorbitant cost of $7.89 till 2030. Is Crypterium worth purchasing in 2022, which is genuinely critical? Crypterium's worth explicitly is supposed to keep on extending, as lack will in general, by and large support cost rise, which is genuinely huge. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any venture, or so they thought. Simply put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and lead the greatest examination conceivable in a significant manner. What generally is the Crypterium cost today, which is very critical. Today Crypterium, CRPT, is exchanging at 21 cents with a market cap of $17,451,023.000 in a very large manner. What will be the CRPT most elevated conjecture cost for 2022 incredibly? The CRPT cost is supposed to arrive at a really most extreme degree of 26 cents toward the finish of 2022, or so they especially thought. Is Crypterium, CRPT, an especially wise interest in a quite huge manner? Crypterium's worth is supposed to sort of keep on extending, as lack will in general empower cost rise, which is genuinely critical. If it's not too much trouble, note, there is a gamble to any venture. Simply put resources into what you can sort of achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and direct the greatest exploration conceivable. How high might Crypterium at any point go, or so they especially thought. The typical cost of Crypterium, Crpt, could explicitly go to 23 cents before the current year's over, which essentially is very huge. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effectively generally come to the $1.05 mark in a significant manner. How essentially will Crypterium explicitly be most certainly worth in 2030? As far as value, Crypterium really has an exceptional potential to arrive at new levels basically. It is